Welcome to the Easy Computer Tech channel and news. Well, if you are using a Windows PC, today is the second Tuesday of the month of October 2020. And the second Tuesday is always Security Update Tuesday, or what a lot of people call Patch Tuesday. In total, every product that counts for everything that is Office and so on, 87 security vulnerabilities are to be fixed. In Windows, it varies from up to 49 flaws in different versions of Windows 10. The most critical is one in TCP/IP stack that can apparently be very easily accessed and be easily exploited. That means that you could easily have a malware or someone take control because it's a remote code execution flaw. The way it works on IPv6 and enables the attacker to simply do a little script on the web page that is just right and gain control of your PC and do whatever he wants. So that's one of the reasons why these security updates are extremely important to install on the computer. So check it out. You simply have to go into your settings, go into update and security. You should see the updates appear. One of them also is a Adobe Flash Player update. So that is important to understand that you'll be in the Adobe Flash Player update. And so check that out as it will fix a lot of security holes. Adobe Flash Player is on the way out, so it's soon to not going to have any updates anymore because it's not going to be part of our PC anymore, and I think that's not a bad idea. So it's Patch Tuesday. Today, Tuesday, October 13th, 2020. Make sure that you update your system. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.